are in our boat on our way to our Spain Airbnb. And they get to ride backwards.
Yes. I love this. I love it. I want to buy a car like this.
Why didn't we ever turn that
This
car
guy's
seats
car
around?
is amazing.
You know, y'all's car was or your car seat was backwards.
Like Ruby's.
Like Rivers when you were a
Yeah.
baby.
It is an
there's Ruby.
airplane.
Still riding backwards. Holding on to your life.
I'm sitting in the
And here we are on the other side of this black van. Again,
They're
just
not-
riding along to the Airbnb.
They're not sitting backwards though.
Had a pretty interesting flight. I guess the flight was fine. We had a pretty interesting landing. The whole plane started shaking. I don't think I've ever been on a plane like that. But it was pretty fun.
That's because the front tire.
I was just like, well, if it's time, it's time.
All the wheels went off.
I felt like the wheels were going to come off. However, me and Mama landed in a river one time in Mexico, so
Oh, yeah.
it doesn't beat that. I'd have to say the river was a little bit more interesting.
That's crazy.
But we're in Barcelona. We're excited to check it out for the small time that we have.
All right, we made it to our Airbnb in Spain. Say hi, Rubies. Hi, Rivers. Hi, everybody. Hi. It's nice in here. We have this nice long hallway. The kids are having fun playing hide and seek in all the rooms. There's a bedroom in here that's got 2 beds. It's got nice space. If we were staying here, we could unpack. Rubies, you can't have the phone. Very nice. Here's River. Then we go in to the next room, and here is a little bathroom. Very nice. Just a half bath in here.
That's not bath, that's a toilet. And your
Our kitchen. Got a fridge, sink, stove, microwave, little table to eat at, and our laundry, which we are going to be utilizing as soon as Jeff gets back with some laundry detergent, because we're going to get on our cruise ship tomorrow and we've got several days worth of laundry to get caught up on. Here's our dining room table and our living area. Here's another bedroom. It's very nice. It's very spacious. River is excited. Here's another bedroom with just one bed, and a desk, and a couple of monkeys. And there's the full bath. Nice shower, sink. And I think that's about it. Oh, there is a balcony out here. I actually haven't walked over here yet. Another table you can sit at. There's Barcelona and my wonderful kids fighting in the background. And that's it.
Well, folks, you're probably wondering, what exactly are you looking at? Well, when you have one day to do laundry, in between stops, you do laundry. Problem is, you booked a place where you thought it had a dryer, but it didn't have a dryer. So now what do? That's right. You iron everything dry. we'll get there. We'll get there. We let this thing go all night, drying with 3 different fans on it, trying to make all of our clothes dry. And for the most part, it worked. We were gonna hang stuff up outside, but it rained last night. So, yeah, this is what we're working with today. We gotta check out in 2 hours. The question is, can I do it? What do you think? Let us know in the comments what's your biggest, I guess, mistake. I don't know if you call this a mistake. This is more of a, yeah, this is a mistake. I should have known that there wasn't a dryer. But anyway, let us know. You think we can do it?
Oh, Dora, we did it! We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Always Seema, we did it!
Where are we going?
We're going to our first cruise. We're going to our first cruise. I'm so excited because we get to see a show tonight.
From Spain.
Do you know what show we get to see?
Ice skating.
Ice skating.
That'd be fun.
We getting on the ship now. I'll tell you what, we got some work to do in America. Airports, everything. We've been skipping all the lines because we have a baby. It's been nice. We came to get on this cruise ship. We were here a little early, and we just skipped all the lines. We didn't have to wait in a single line. We just walked right through priority boarding, priority screening, priority everything. And we're going to be one of the first ones on the ship, so
No, we're not.
I'm pretty excited about that. I'm excited that we didn't have to wait for everybody in the ports. We just sort of bypassed everybody and got the special treatment as if we were one of their top tier people.
We're not
So,
going to be the first person.
Not the very first person, but we're going to be one of the first. So, and there it is, the walkway to get on the ship. One thing I have to say, these Royal ships, Royal Caribbean, they're outdoing themselves when it comes to these new Oasis class, I believe, ships. And, you know, this isn't the Icon class, or, like, there's a class bigger than this. And I've been on 2 Oasis ships now, and I've been on some smaller ships, and these large ships, there's just so much to do for all the kids. And I don't know how we're gonna do it all. We've just been kind of going everywhere, doing everything, and it's fun. It's a fun time for the kids, fun time for us. And yeah, we're excited. We're excited for this trip. We're excited that this is the first cruise for the kids, and we're just gonna have a good time. All right, Emmett's about to eat his first snail. Smells good. Ready? That's some good snail. That's some good snail, folks. He likes it. Allie, you want to eat this snail?
Allie, this is like a
Burger.
hamburger. Actually, this is. No,
All right, Allie Joy's going to try it now.
I don't want to.
Come on, try it.
Test it out.
What?
It's really good.
Yeah, but you got to try it.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Allie Joy eating snails.
Oh my gosh, I gotta
Just try it. Hurry up. No, don't hold your nose. You're going to like it. Hurry up, you're dropping it. You're dropping the garlic. Chew. It's in there, folks. It's pretty good, isn't it? I told you. So there we go. We got 2 kids now that have ate snails. Babe. Snail time? Snail time? It's snail time, folks. It's snail time.
I'm not doing it.
She tells her kids that they have to do it, but then she won't try it. You have to try everything at least once.
I'm not doing
You got to.
No,
Smell it.
I'm not.
Smell it. Oh,
Good.
you just can't right now. You heard it here first, folks. She'll put her kids through anything, but dang it, if she'll try it. Let us know in the comments, have you tried escargot? Would you try escargot? This is my second.
This hamburger is good.
This is my second time having it. It's pretty good. I will say, very good.
And the snails are the best food on the side of the world.
We have no idea what he said. I'm gonna eat now. More snails. Bye. Riddy's is ready for the show. All right. He's ready for the ice skating show. And that's a wrap on part 1 of our amazing cruise adventure. But don't go too far because next week we're diving into part 2, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. We're stopping at some iconic places like Rome, the stunning Cinque Terre from Italy, and I'll even be taking you behind the scenes for an exclusive ship galley tour. If you've ever wondered what life is like beyond the guest decks on some of these ships, or if you're just here for the gelato and coastal views, next week's episode has got it all. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, so you don't miss a second of it. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button. It really helps this channel out and lets us know that you want more travel adventures. So thanks for coming along, and we will see you next week for part 2.